So what we're doing today is that we gotta
233.
get the coils for the 2ZZ because one of them is filled with oil.
No, all of them are Dicker.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna go check the serial number on these. I think they're 10 mil, I believe. So then after we check the serial number on the coils for the 1ZZ, we're gonna go ahead and do some pulls in the CELICA, right? Right? Yeah.
Oh wow, look, it's the RB. Where's the grill? Right here. Oof. Sexy. This kid uses so much driveway room just to get behind the truck.
So this is one of the projects we will be working on. Well, he will be mainly working on.
Number 5.
Yeah. So we have the RB, the Ninja,
You still haven't done the video on that one.
and the
That
KDX.
one's done.
It is, but we need to like drive it.
Videos.
We're gonna plug in the O2 sensor on the CELICA. It's like somewhere in there. Yeah, so it's like back there. So we gotta plug it in because we were doing some tests with the open loop of the ECU, and
We
it's
just left it on there because honestly it ran fine.
yeah. So, but we're gonna plug it back
because
in.
of the old spark plugs. That's
Yeah. So we're gonna see if it actually works with the O2 sensor plugged in. Let's go places.
Can you see the brand?
Oh yeah, it's Toyota. Toyota. Okay. I'm plugging the battery now. Oh, it's so rusty.
It can't be rusty, it's lead. I'll do it.
No, the actual nut.
Oh.
It's rusty. Ah, it doesn't fucking move.
Here, come here for a second.
Can you take that off, please?
I will. Much better. You having fun down there?
Yeah.
You get it?
Yep.
Liddy,
It's plugged in. O2 sensor.
you want to put my carpet back?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, now that we plugged in the O2 sensor, we are going to go for a drive and just do some pulls on the CELICA because it's always fun to do pulls with the VVL.
Low key, that might be a Crown Vic behind us.
Really?
Okay, it's fine. My light's just green. Holy! Oh, crap! She's getting the hang of it, that's for sure. We're gonna take off.
Okay. Okay, I am ready.
Ready?
Pulls on the CELICA.
With Guillermo in
Yeah,
it and a bunch of soda
Yeah.
and some chips.
Whenever I get the data log it, I'm gonna wait. Where this? Yeah, there's the MR2. I'm going to do pulls on the MR2 that are actually worth watching.
Oh, nice. Is it outro time?
Goodbye, bros.
Subscribe for more.
And like.